Tesla is one of the only stock that did good today. We are up $5.60, 2.38%, closed at 241.20. Post-market, we seem to be down by $1. So let's take a look at what we have here on the chart. Yeah. After having broken 226.85 not too long ago, we had been stuck under 238.11, very important number that we spend a lot of time above since June, but then since October, we could not reach that high. We have broken the 238.11 resistance today, a horizontal resistance. We can now turn this green. So we like this. So we are seeing the move back. 2 days ago, we retested 226.85. I think it was at 78. So I might have misplaced it a little bit. But anyway, so we have retested 2 days ago, 226.85, and now we are using this as the launch pad. So buyers are in. Buyers are still coming in. We are making higher highs, lower highs. So everything is just great. We know that this won't be the best run in the world because we have some downward resistance right here at around 250. You can hold this a little bit of a while, but as soon as we start to reach our resistance, either this one or this one, it is very okay to take some profit a little bit because we are into a downward trend and we could be continuing down. Just be aware of that. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So we have here that Tesla is closing in on a $2 billion factory deal in India. So this is great. Another gigafactory that is going to come up. This is a thumbs up. This is an interesting news. Tesla spotted driving Cybertruck into ocean after claiming it will float. This is in the Gulf of Mexico. And after Elon Musk claimed it would float. What is this? Last year, Musk claimed Tesla Cybertruck would be waterproof enough to serve as a boat and cross rivers. Cybertruck will be waterproof enough to serve briefly as a boat so it can cross rivers, lakes, and even seas that aren't too choppy. Elon is the one that can make something like this happen. You only need to seal the bottom of the car and maybe put something inside the tires in order to move the truck forwards. If someone can do it, it is Elon. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX is continuing down. It went up a little bit during the day. The stock market should be moving up. The 10-year bonds are also going lower and lower. Yes, it's higher in terms of the close, but it did not go as high today. This is lower. US dollar also is still coming down. It's a green candle, but it's still coming down because look at this. It was lower today and it was not as high today as it was yesterday. This candle color can be misleading a bit. Let's look at our EV stocks. Rivian, 7% down. Xpeng, after having broken 1812 yesterday, we are having a little bit of a pullback. We still have a good stochastic, good DMI, good pretty much everything. So no panic. It's just a little bit of a move down. NEO, the same thing. It tried to break 791 yesterday, but could not do it and is giving in a little bit today. Apple pulling down a little bit. We still have a good stochastic. ARM, I like to see this. We have a break yesterday, and when we have a break of resistance, it's possible that it reverses. It's really possible that it reverses. So we need to be really careful after one candle break because the next candle can be coming back down. So either you suffer it or either you just get out with a stop loss and try to make it again. This one right here, I kind of like a little bit because we came down and then came back up right away. So this is telling us that we have some buyers coming in. We still have some buyers coming in at that price point. So we still have people that are buying at that price point. So this is good. So basically, this is a confirmation of the break that we had yesterday. And if we do the resistance on this candle we had on September 18th, yeah, we see that we are just right back in line with that candle. So because of that, I would basically wait until tomorrow to see what is going to happen. But if tomorrow it starts to go higher than 58.66, then it's going to be even more tempting to get in. Palantir did not hold this 20.45 that we had yesterday. So this was very tempting to buy yesterday. It was a buy signal, a one candle buy signal. And if we go on the 1 hour chart, what I tend to do when I want to enter into a stock is that I let it go for 1 hour the next day to see what happens. And after that hour, we saw that, wow, we had a bunch of sellers right here. So then if it goes down like this, we need some bullish candle that are going to tell us that it is indeed going to bounce on 20.45, and we never got them. The second hour broke it, and then it started to go down. The buy signal, sometimes it works. Sometimes we have a break of horizontal resistance and then it continues. And nobody knows if it's going to continue or not. But it's always safe to look at the first candle, the first hour candle on the next day to see what is going to happen. NVIDIA, just going sideways, is still shy of 503.06. Let's look at our stock indices. Yeah, a little bit of a move down for Dow Jones. The buy signal was either here or here, so it's still a move up, and now it has a hard time breaking 35.088 and staying above it. We broke it yesterday. Now we are a little bit shy, but it's still a good candle because we made a higher low than yesterday. S&P 500, the same thing. NASDAQ maintaining itself, not too bad. Let's look at gold. Gold, nice move with gold. Nice move. Nice surprising move. Look at the stochastic on it. It's coming up to 91. So gold is going super high. The next stop is, let's say, 1583 would be nice to break. Silver, nice day also, 1.25. Bitcoin dropping a little bit, almost 4% down. Ripple, 5% down, and we have had no stochastic for a while in Ripple. Let's hope that at least it's going to bounce on the support right here. If it does not bounce on that support, I would give it 54.8 as the last straw, and if it breaks down, then it's going to become less interesting. And Nouveau Monde Graphite is maintaining itself quite well after a bad earnings call. It's maintaining quite well on the support. So you see, stochastic over 60 is not required for a stock to stay on support. It is not required, but we want it when we want something to go up, especially after it has broken a horizontal resistance. So there you have it. Tesla is oftentimes doing the opposite of the market. Yesterday, things were going up and Tesla was staying put. And now things are slowing down a little bit and Tesla is going higher. Yeah, this is Tesla stock for us. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I will tell you. À la prochaine.